Is your smile dazzling and bright? Or are your teeth not so pearly white? If your teeth are dull or stained, there may be a wide variety of causes. Coffee, tea, wine, and other colored drinks, smoking, poor diet, and age can all cause tooth discoloration, leaving you self-conscious and embarrassed to really laugh it up in public or even smile when you're having your picture taken. You may feel that whitening your teeth is vain or frivolous, not a necessary dental procedure like filling a cavity or repairing a cracked tooth. But according to a recent study by CNN, teeth whitening is the #1 requested dental service, so you're definitely not alone. Having a whiter smile can make you look younger, more attractive, and give a big boost to your self-confidence. Your brighter, whiter smile is waiting. Contact us today.